Hello everyone, this is Harshita from CAD NEST. So today in this video, let us go through some shortcut keys. So today we'll be knowing about 5 shortcut keys which makes your work easier. So the first shortcut key is Ctrl plus W. So Ctrl plus W is used to close the current workbook. So let us see whether it works. Ctrl plus W. So yes, you are getting a dialog box asking whether to save this and then close or not to save and close. So next one is Ctrl plus. Ctrl plus is used to insert a row or column. So you can see there is a dialog box which is appeared, which is asking me to insert a cell or a row or a column. So let me give a row. So you can see a row was added. Then next one is Ctrl minus. So Ctrl minus is used to delete a row or column. I am using the keys over here, Ctrl minus. So you can see that I am receiving a dialog box asking for delete a left cell or a upper cell, entire row or entire column. Let me ask for entire row. So you can see there was a row deleted. So next one is Ctrl plus page up. Ctrl plus page up is used to switch between sheets on one same workbook. If I use Ctrl plus page up, it will shift to the previous sheet. Ctrl plus page up. So you can see my cursor is going for previous sheets. And Ctrl plus page down. So this is used for the vice versa, that is it will go to the next page. Ctrl plus page down. So page up is used for previous sheets and page down is used for next sheets. Ctrl page up and Ctrl page down. So today we have gone through 5 important shortcut keys, that is how to close a current worksheet which we are using, and then how to insert a column or a row, how to delete a column or a row, and then how to switch between the pages, previous and next. Hope this video will be helpful to you. For more videos, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.